What's the meaning of brazenly? Brazenly. Brazenly.
Brazenly. Brazenly. Brazenly is an adverb that means to act boldly or shamelessly, often in a way that disregards social norms or expectations. When someone acts brazenly, they are displaying a level of confidence and fearlessness that can sometimes provoke shock or outrage in those around them. This type of behavior can be seen in a variety of contexts, from political leaders who make controversial statements to individuals who break the law in broad daylight without fearing consequences. Ultimately, the result of brazen behavior depends on the circumstances and the reactions of those involved. While some may applaud an individual's boldness, others may be angered or repelled by it. In any case, acting brazenly requires a certain degree of courage and disregard for convention.